Good morning all and welcome to the spot desk on Thursday the 7th of July. Good morning to you all. I hope you are all well and all hopefully making a little bit of money this week. Today I'm looking at Kiwi. New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. Looks to be a little bit oversold at the moment here, but you can see this line here. This is my daily 20 moving average. We are below my 60 minute 20, which is below my 60 minute 50, which is a good sign. And my 4 hour 20 is starting to come down to cross this 4 hour 50. Okay, so that's also a good sign of further things to come. There appears to be a little bit of dollar strength in the air. Euro's falling off, and we just closed the last part of the position at 95 on that for an average of 55 pips. Swiss is moving up. We just closed the last part of the position on that for an average of 62.5 pips, and I think that this is going to fall down. Do we just bang one with a stop above the daily pivot? Well, I think you can. Let's have a look. 64.23, that's a 60-point risk. Or do we wait for the 1, 2, 3 off the 15-minute chart? It's a bit of a tough call, but let's see what happens. I'll come to the 15-minute chart shortly. Now, my daily pivot is still above my weekly pivot, which is still above my monthly pivot, so it's a little bit of a tricky situation, but I do think if we can push down today, then tomorrow's pivot will be behind here. That will be an ideal spot to see a push right the way down, potentially, to my 50, which we can see just here. So 63.60 down to 61.30. It's nearly 250 pips. It's not bad. That's slightly better than your average meat and potatoes, but like I say, it is a little bit oversold in the interim, i.e. in the immediate term. So we're going to go to perhaps a 15-minute chart, have a look at the evidence, and say, well, actually, it's not that bad, is it? I mean, we could probably have a stop up here, 64.07. It's only a 40-point risk. Or alternatively, wait for it to pull back towards this level, 63.85, and then hit it. It is a little bit oversold, and that's my main reservation, but with that trigger coming in, I think it's got to be worth just a little tiny one with a stop up here. Then if it does come back and turn again, you can add another one there. So that's what I'm thinking, and we're going to be targeting eventually that daily 50, some 250 points below. So that's what we're doing today. Kiwi dollar short. Bye for now.